If you want to watch the 2026 Golden Globe on streaming devices like YouTube TV, Hulu, Roku, and Fire TV, here is a simple breakdown so you don't miss out a moment of Hollywood's big night. You can stream it on all major streaming TV platforms that carry local CBS channels, including YouTube TV and Hulu Plus Live TV, both of which include CBS in their live channel lineups. Just open the app on a smart TV, phone, or tablet and navigate to your local CBS affiliate to watch the ceremony live. If you're using a Roku or Fire TV device, simply download the Paramount Plus app or the YouTube TV or Hulu Plus Live TV app from the channel store, sign into your account, and you'll be able to stream the Golden Globe right on a big screen. Paramount Plus can also stream the event live, though live access requires the Paramount Plus Premium plan, while Paramount Plus Essential plan lets you watch the show on demand the next day. Many of these streaming services, including YouTube TV and Hulu Plus Live TV, offer free trial periods for new subscribers, so you can watch the award show and red carpet without a long-term subscription if you time it right. Whether you are on YouTube TV, Hulu, Roku, or Fire TV, just open the app, find US in the live channels, and tune in at Showtime to get all the award announcements, speeches, and celebrity moments as they happen. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.